Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, let's take a look at Multibit and see where we can land with a price target for the 2024-2025 bull run. But before we dive on into this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor, and while I appreciate that so many of you are hopping in here from all over the place, you've got to hit that subscribe button. I make price target videos every day at 6 a.m. Eastern time on the dot. I try to keep up as much as possible with this rapidly evolving crypto space. Hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification button as well. But let's go ahead and dive on into this. So Multibit, I'm shifting towards not talking about fundamentals in my videos, but I do want to talk a little bit about fundamentals here because this is a cryptocurrency that is very highly dependent on Bitcoin reaching new heights, Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs, going over $100,000. It is quite simply a bridge from BRC20 tokens to other networks. Right now, it's primarily ERC20, so Ethereum, a bridge from Bitcoin to Ethereum, very much needed. So this is a BRC20 narrative, Bitcoin layer 2 narrative kind of crypto, which means, of course, yes, it's very highly dependent on Bitcoin. A couple of encouraging things here that I'm looking at with the chart. You can see $138 million market cap, 950 million circulating supply, 1 billion total supply. So this is, even though it's a new cryptocurrency, it's 95% diluted. I love seeing something like that because we're not going to have to worry about inflation. You can see, price chart versus market cap chart. There's a bit of a difference because of vesting that has happened early on, but that is pretty much done. And so, as far as moving forward, the road is clear. And I do have a pretty, I would say, in comparison to my other videos, price target that is more aggressive, considering the fact that we don't have to worry about forward-looking inflation nearly as much with this. And now, looking at a chart like this, I'm sure that people got very excited when it launched. It shot up like crazy, went above 30 cents. It's currently at 14 cents. And then you just see a decline in a chop. And I even do have some thoughts short term on this. I wouldn't be surprised if, let's just say, Bitcoin was ready to have another leg up. I'm making this video April 10th of 2024. So I am mixed as to whether or not Bitcoin does have another leg up before the halving, ahead of the summer. Sell in May and go away is a real thing. But if so, if Bitcoin is ready for its next leg up, I think short-term Multibit is actually a fantastic play. So this is something that I'm thinking about loading up on pretty aggressively. But, and it's so funny because, the general public, they see a chart like this, it's like, oh, I don't want anything to do with this. It's just been ranging for 4 months. I don't operate that way. I think this is a perfect, an awesome consolidation. If you were to look at some Wyckoff accumulation charts, it would line up very well with what we're seeing here with Multibit. I think that this is going to go much higher, assuming again that Bitcoin has another leg up. So this is the kind of chart that's very exciting to me when I look at what cryptocurrencies I want to be buying. And okay, we looked at market cap. So we don't have to do any kind of analysis with tokenomics. So this is probably going to be a shorter video than a lot of other videos that I made. And because, it's 95% in dilution. Okay, let's not do that work because we don't have to. Let's not force that upon ourselves. So Multibit price prediction, note, this crypto is highly dependent on Bitcoin putting in new all-time highs, and this prediction is based on the assumption that Bitcoin will go well over $100,000. If for some reason, for some crazy reason, $73,000 or whatever Bitcoin got to was the peak, even ahead of the halving, that this was the peak of the 2024-2025 bull run for Bitcoin, then by no means is Multibit going any higher than where it is now. But assuming that Bitcoin is going over $100,000 and my price target $155,000, then I believe that Multibit's going to do amazing. So risk to reward, I would say that the risk to reward ratio is very highly in your favor if you buy this cryptocurrency. I do believe that it'll get to a $2 billion market cap. You divide that by 950 million circulating supply, that gives us a Multibit price of $2.11 for Multibit. So what's that look like? 14.5 cents. That's about a 15x from here. If you've been watching my channel, you know that 15x at this point in time, where we are in April of 2024, that's pretty aggressive. I'm sure that there's plenty of people saying, 100x is still a possibility for a lot of cryptocurrencies. I'm not buying that. I don't think that this is going to a $13 billion, $14 billion market cap. I don't think that's in the cards, but I do think that there is potential for fantastic returns on this. And again, I'm considering loading up. So that is all I have for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful rest of your week. I will most certainly be seeing you in another video. Peace.